So everyone's always wondering, what is OFM? And can you explain it to me without having to watch an hour video? So here we go.
So OFM is basically OnlyFans management. It is that little gem in business that no one really knows about. It's basically social media marketing, or SMMA, but for OnlyFans models. Now, how do you get an OnlyFans model to work for you?
So we start off with recruitment. This is probably the hardest part of OFM. You need to find yourself an OnlyFans model. Now there's multiple ways of doing this. Some of the main ways are,
So you can outreach via social media DMs. You can run social media adverts as well. You can also purchase leads off of lead sellers.
exactly. So once you've got a model through one of them strategies, which we explain in depth on our page, afterwards you've got to then market and manage these models. That's when it comes in slightly harder. What is it like managing a model?
Managing a model is a very easy process. All you need to do is get the model to send you the content required for the OnlyFans page and for the marketing of that page. So for the marketing side, you want more Instagram style pictures, just general sort of lifestyle of the model, plus obviously some sexy images to help you market that model. Now the OnlyFans page, a lot of you would probably never have touched the OnlyFans platform. Don't worry, it's probably the simplest platform you can learn to use in the fucking world. It's basically Instagram for degenerates who buy nudes.
Now, this may be all new to you, but it's not that hard. You just need to keep the model happy, get content off them, market them effectively, and gain experience through doing all of this to become more effective at your job. Once again, you can learn all this down on our page. But there's multiple ways which you can expand faster than everyone else. That's using AI or getting a mentor or learning from better people in the industry. Networking is your partner. It's your best asset you have in business, especially when it comes to OFM, whether that's model to model networking or agency to agency. But it's very important.
Now you're probably wondering, how do you get paid with this? OFM agencies will often take a percentage of the earnings from the model. Therefore, there's zero risk to the model, and also you're working very closely with the model to advance that account to the highest earnings possible.
Now, so if that sounds easy enough for you, or it sounds like something you'll be able to do, then you can learn the rest of the methods in depth on our page, but that's the general idea of what OFM actually is. And hopefully that's cleared a few things up for you.